We're talking about the new Circus Pro dirt jump fork from Manitou here. Now this is the latest in the line of Circus dirt jump forks from Manitou. The big difference between this and our previous offerings, which is also a current offering, the Expert, with the Pro package, you get 34 millimeter stanchions as well as a 15 millimeter bolt-on through axle. It's running our Dorado air spring. The Dorado air spring we're using in our Matic all mountain fork. It also comes in the Dorado downhill. It has a self-equalizing positive and negative chamber. Now it has been slightly modified for dirt jump applications, so it's not exactly the same that you'll find in our other products, but it does have, like I said, that self-equalizing positive and negative chamber of the Dorado air. Also inside of the air spring is our IVA unit. Now that's an incremental volume adjust. So what you have is below this cap here, which can be removed with a 24 millimeter socket, you have an air seal and these 10 millimeter clips. Now you can use these clips to shuffle around the placement of that air seal, and that will adjust the air volume of your positive chamber so you can control the ramp up and bottom out resistance in that air chamber. So moving on to the damping leg, we're using our ABS compression damper. Now that's a 9-position of progressive platform with each click. It's using a jump shim stack, and then of course you have your rebound damping at the bottom of the leg there. Tapered steer tube, 80 and 100 mil option, as well as a 120 to 140 mil option. Now the travels are internally adjustable, and in the box when you buy a new fork, we'll include the necessary spacers to adjust it within the intended range.